Severe weather report.
Meteorologist Oscar Fan with you. We're starting to enter the active part of our evening from about now until midnight and then up to about 2 or 3 in the morning possibly. Let's show what's going on right now. And got a little surprise. Well, first of all, this is the Durden camera at Enterprise. In the last hour, they've had some moderate periods of rain, and now things have kind of settled down. That is headed our way. Not severe. The active, strong to severe activity is back around I-65. Let's go back to what we're looking at right now. Tornado watch. Now, if you remember last time, if you were observant, it did still include the Pike County, Barber County, and Covington County. It did not include any of the Florida Panhandle counties. They extended that. Rare move to include those counties. This is the watch that goes to 11. We will all definitely be in a tornado watch in a few minutes, probably anywhere from currently right as I speak to about 30 to 45 minutes, and that will probably go to about 3 in the morning. That will include all the southeastern counties of Alabama and probably still some of the counties you see in red to the west and north, also all the Panhandle counties and parts of, in fact, most of southwestern Georgia. Real quick, showing you the radar, you can see some activity moving in from the west. Again, this is not particularly strong, but it is quite a bit of rainfall. And you see back to the west. In fact, let's go to Ted at the wall, and he'll show you a better view of that activity back west of I-65. Ted?
All right, thanks, Oscar. And yeah, remember, you know, with severe weather possible, it's always good to have a plan in place just in case severe weather happens to visit your town or your village. You know, just keep that in mind as we go through the overnight hours. And just watch how the precipitation just blossomed across the region. Moderate to heavy rain across the area right now. And it's just amazing. Dew points are very high, and when you get a situation in the atmosphere, an upper level disturbance, or also a boundary at ground level, a warm frontal boundary, it takes and lifts that air. The air cools, and boom, you get the rainfall. And this particular batch just to our west now, this is on its horse right here, moving eastward at about 45 miles per hour, heading in our direction. Some flooding noted with this, also some severe weather warnings with this, and also another sort of a tail all the way down into southeast Louisiana. And I wanted to ask you, Oscar, do you think this rainfall that's falling down may stabilize the atmosphere somewhat? And also, what do you think about this tail down there? Might that affect us later tonight?
Okay, first of all, a lot of questions answered in about 20 seconds. It will mitigate, lessen the severe threat a little bit. It won't completely remove it. That's why we'll have the tornado watch. And also that activity down near New Orleans will hold together, move across the Panhandle. And again, we'll see 2 waves of rain. We'll see the first one going through now. The second one will have some strong activity with it. We have had no confirmed tornadoes this afternoon or this evening. They've all been Doppler indicated, but we do have several severe thunderstorm warnings and flash flood warnings. We'll be back around 10:30 for another update.
You've been watching a WDHN